Hi, my name is Nico Giacino, and today I'm going to be your chef. We're going to be using the Bosch FlexInduction cooktop to make a delicious French toast topped with a blueberry compote. Let's get started. The beauty of the Flex Zone is it allows you to integrate 4 zones into one, giving you more control over your surface area. Today we're actually going to change it up a little bit. We're going to use cranberry oat bread. So while my bread is caramelizing over here, I've already started the blueberry compote. And you'll notice with Bosch FlexInduction, there's something called the power move, which is really cool. If you move your pot forward, the cooktop will automatically adjust the temperature of my pot without me even touching anything. That's how it is with Bosch FlexInduction. Fast, flexible, and easy to clean. To learn more about Bosch appliances, please visit bosch-home.ca to book a cooking demo at one of our showrooms.